A life full of challenges and dreams. Good day, everyone. Today, I stand before you not just as someone who has had a smooth path, but as someone who has faced challenges, setbacks, and countless hurdles. Yet, through it all, I have held onto a belief, no matter how tough life gets, dreams are worth pursuing. And hard work is the bridge to making them come true. From a young age, life taught me resilience. I grew up in circumstances that were far from perfect. Be it in financial struggles, emotional battles, or the constant feeling of being at a disadvantage. There were days when the weight of my reality felt like it would crush me. Nights when doubts crept in, whispering that my dreams were too big, too attainable. But even in my darkest moments, a tiny voice within me refused to give up. That voice reminded me of the power of hope. It reminded me that while I couldn't control where I started, I could control where I was headed. I remember vividly the times I failed, times when I gave it my all, but still came up short. But looking back, I see those failures not as defeats, but as lessons. Each stumble taught me to stand taller. Each no brought me closer to a yes. Dreams are not easy. They demand sacrifice, discipline, and a belief in yourself, even when the world doubts you. For me, dreaming wasn't just about envisioning a better life. It was about acting on that vision. I worked hard. I started when others slept. I stayed focused when distraction go. I embraced every opportunity, no matter how small, because I knew that even tiny steps would one day lead to something bigger. Today, I am not yet at the finish line, but I am closer than I have ever been. The challenges I once faced no longer define me. They empower me. They remind me of how far I've come and motivate me to keep going. To anyone listening to this day or this event who feels weighed down by obstacles, I want you to know this. You are stronger than you think. The hurdles in your path are not there to stop you, but to prepare you for what lies ahead. And while the journey may not be easy, it will always be worth it. Keep dreaming, keep working, and keep believing. Because no matter where you come from, with perseverance and heart, there is no limit to where you can go. Thank you and good day, everyone. Once again, this is Nicole Gadiani.